In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Power BI Desktop on Windows 10. Now, Power BI is a powerful tool for data analysis and visualization, enabling users to create interactive dashboards and reports effortlessly. Whether you are a business analyst or just someone looking to visualize some data better, getting Power BI Desktop installed is your first step. Let's dive right into it. To begin, open your preferred web browser, Google Chrome, Firefox, or whatever you prefer. In the search bar, type Power BI Download. This search will present you with several options, but you'll want to focus on the official Microsoft link for the Power BI download. Usually, this link appears right at the top of the results, ensuring you're getting the software from a trusted and secure source. Once you've located the official Microsoft link, click on it. This action will redirect you to the Power BI desktop download page on the Microsoft website. Here, you will find various details about Power BI if you want to explore more about what the software can do. However, our focus is on getting it installed, so let's continue with the download process. Look for the download button on the web page, you can't miss it, usually in a prominent position to make the download as straightforward as possible. Clicking this button will initiate the download process for the Power BI desktop installer file. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so sit tight and let it complete. Once your download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder or wherever your files usually save, and double-click on it to run the installer. This action will launch the Power BI Desktop Setup Wizards, guiding you through the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts and you may be asked to accept terms and conditions, choose an installation location, or select any additional options. Generally, sticking with the default settings is all you need to do.